your virtue. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Thank you for coming to witness the launch of street vacuum cleaner trucks for the municipal councils in partnership with the Ministry of Local Government, Housing and Environment. These trucks that you witness now means we will have lesser number of workers on the streets now. But let me assure you at the outset to all the workers that you will remain the workers of your respective municipalities. The only difference would be that you will be transferred to different departments. But I will make sure that no one loses his or her job at the respective municipal councils. Till today, or for some months, till we have all the trucks in the country, these are the workers who come first early in the morning to the respective municipalities to make sure our streets are clean. Can we all put our hands together for these workers? To better our service delivery, today we see new vacuum cleaner trucks with a cost of around $850,000, which will be given to the municipal councils as mentioned earlier on. Ladies and gentlemen, this investment is seen as a way forward in advancing our towns and cities' operations by having the right machines. These machines have 4 features. 1, it has a sweeper. 2, vacuum dust. 3, sprayer. And number 4, reduce the dust. Councils can also use the trucks to water gardens, which has 9,000 litre capacity tank. I'm also told that they can attend to fire cases as well, provided you have the trained staff. In fact, we have redoubled our efforts to stimulate innovative ideas in our towns and cities to ensure that we maintain and enhance the beauty of our urban environment. Introduction of street vacuum cleaner trucks shall not be limited to only these 3 councils. More machines will be brought in for other councils as well. Ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, I would like to thank the supplier, Construction Equipment Limited, in partnership with Sino Trucks of China. They have assured the warranty period and are in the country to train our council workers. I request the respective council workers to get well trained and be familiar with the machine so that you can help in keeping your environment clean and the lifetime of the machine is guaranteed. I am sure that from the coming year 2018, as mentioned by the CEO Lotoka, these machines shall play a key role in upkeeping the respective towns and cities, and my best wishes to the management and staff of the municipal councils in success of this initiative. Before I launch the trucks, ladies and gentlemen, my message this morning is that people need to change the attitude and behavior so that littering and indiscriminate dumping becomes socially unacceptable practice. I also humbly request the shopkeepers not to roam the dust onto the footpath in front of their shops or into the capes and channel. I'm happy that the President of Dr. Chemba is present here as well. Please convey this message to the shopkeepers as well. I've been mayor for a long time and I know this issue has never stopped, but we have to stop this now. We'll see early in the morning when our workers do all the brooming and sweeping. You will see the shopkeepers, they will open their shops and the workers will broom all the dust to the footpath and to the capes and channel. This must stop. I also appeal to you to keep your town and cities clean by disposing all rubbish properly. On this note, ladies and gentlemen, I now have the pleasure to launch the new vacuum cleaner trucks. Vinata and thank you.